Welcome to Crypto Gems, and in this video you will learn everything about Edge and Edge video streaming platform and how you yourself can actually watch to earn crypto. First, please notice disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into Edge. Let's first talk a little bit about what Edge and Edge Video Player is. And I do want to add that any links you need for Edge or the Edge Video Player are down in the description. So on Edge and Edge Video, you can actually watch live content on the Edge Decentralized Content Delivery Network, the CDN, and you can watch things such as sports, news, poker, esports, weather, reality TV, and music, and you can actually watch to earn crypto. The way you can actually watch live videos on Edge is by the Edge Player. This is a video player with a built-in decentralized CDN, facial recognition, and watch to earn functionality, wherein viewers are actually incentivized to actively train the Edge AI model, which recognizes characters and personalities within the video. The Edge Player can be added to any website, smart TV, or mobile app. You can have push notifications for when a personality appears on a live stream. You can search live video streaming content. It's paywall and login free. Each viewer expands the decentralized CDN. And the most interesting and exciting part is that you can buy a face, that's the NFT, directly when a personality appears on the live stream. It's the facial recognition of a personality. And faces are actually NFTs, buyable and tradable on OpenSea. And each face represents a personality that has been recognized in the live stream and gives the holder the right to be paid in EAT tokens, which are the tokens you can earn on Edge, when the face they own is actually detected by the Edge Player in any live stream that is being watched. So the more popular the personality, the more you get paid. Within the Edge Player, you can actually see how much EAT tokens you have actually earned in real time. So quickly how it works, and we will also check that out in practice on the Edge website and then in the Edge Player. So first of all, when the Edge Player detects a personality for the first time, the NFT of that personality is created. Viewers are then offered to buy that face, and again, if you remember, the face is the NFT, and they can buy that on the Edge Player, and then when the personality is detected, EAT is being paid, so it's actually passive earning if you own the face, or in other words, the NFT. And then lastly, the EAT and face token economy is closed with publishers and viewers. So the utility of the EAT token is actually amazing, because as you can see, as a viewer, you can actually earn EAT, and Edge calculates the payments to viewers based on their engagement, so their value to the publisher. And the viewers who actually want to spend EAT tokens can actually watch premium video content without a paywall or login by paying with EAT tokens. They have ad-free viewing, and when face is bought for the first time from Edge, it can only be bought by EAT tokens. Alright, now we are actually going to check out, and it's quite exciting, the Edge Video Player. And I do want to mention again that all the links you need for Edge and the Edge Video Player to actually watch to earn yourself are down in the description. So as you can see, we are on edgevideo.com, and the first thing you will see, and the main thing we're looking for right now, is the Edge Player, where you can actually watch the live streams yourself. So you can actually watch things real time, like Poker Night, Bloomberg Television, World Poker Tour, Ski TV. The main thing we talked about in the presentation is you can watch them, and then you can actually watch to earn, and you can buy certain personalities as NFTs, and we can check that out in practice right now. So if we just click on the World Poker Tour stream to just pick one, you can see that the AI created by Edge actually recognizes people on the screen, and then you can see what personality that is. You can follow them. You can turn on notifications for when they are in a stream and when they have an NFT. So when they are first recognized by the Edge AI, you will see that there's another button for NFT. And if you press that, you will be redirected to OpenSea, and there you can actually buy the NFT to earn whenever that personality, which is now an NFT as we call it, the NFT or the face, and you can earn whenever that face is being watched on a stream. And of course, that's really amazing and exciting, and especially very new, and I've never seen anything like that. But what Edge also does is that the whole Edge platform actually doubles the revenue by increasing the engagement by ×4. So this of course is all done by the watch to earn and actually creating the faces or the NFTs for the personalities, so you can actually be more engaged while watching certain faces, for example, you own. Alright, now for a quick summary, and before we get into that summary, I do want to add once more that all the links you need for Edge and Edge Video to actually start implementing these things we learned about Edge in this video are down in the description. Now in summary, the main things we did in this video is we checked out the Edge project and the Edge video player and how it actually works in a very well constructed presentation, but in the end we also checked out how the Edge video player actually works and how you can actually see that the Edge AI recognizes certain personalities and how they are being converted into NFTs or faces which you can actually buy and which then allows you to earn passive income by owning those NFTs. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. So if you actually found this video helpful, make sure to add a like and add any comments about things I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.